Artificial intelligence (AI) has the potential to disrupt various industries, including healthcare, law, and employment sectors. While AI can automate certain tasks and improve efficiency, it can also lead to job displacement in some areas. Here's a brief overview. Healthcare. AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical images, and suggesting treatment plans. While AI can enhance healthcare delivery and improve patient outcomes, it may also replace some tasks traditionally performed by doctors, such as basic diagnostics or radiology interpretation. However, the role of doctors will likely shift towards more complex decision-making, patient care, and oversight of AI systems. Law. AI has the ability to process and analyze vast amounts of legal information, such as case precedents and statutes. This can assist lawyers in legal research, contract analysis, and document review. While AI may reduce the need for some routine tasks in the legal profession, lawyers will still be required for complex legal analysis, courtroom advocacy, and client counseling. Employment sectors. AI automation has the potential to replace certain jobs that involve repetitive and routine tasks. Industries like manufacturing, customer service, transportation, and data entry may be affected. However, AI also creates new job opportunities, such as AI system development, data analysis, and ethical oversight of AI technologies. Moreover, AI can augment human capabilities, leading to increased productivity and the creation of new industries and job roles. It's important to note that AI is not expected to completely replace human professionals in these fields, but rather transform the nature of work. Jobs that require creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and human interaction are less likely to be fully automated. To adapt to the changing landscape, individuals can focus on developing skills that complement AI, such as complex problem solving, creativity, adaptability, and empathy. Continuous learning and upskilling will be crucial to remain relevant in the evolving job market. Additionally, society needs to consider policies and measures to support workers during the transition and ensure equitable access to opportunities.